Charge my laptop. See if it's charging, and it is. Cool. Okay, so moving on from that, I'm gonna get YouTube open. Okay. To upload the animation to YouTube, if it'll load. Welcome to the stream. Let me see if my iPad's charged enough. And it is. So right now I'm just uploading my animation to YouTube. This one here. So I need to post it onto my channel, and then I need to like send it in to my class so that I can get my be done with the animation class. So let me save this file. So I'm gonna share it video. Okay. So I just saved my video to my iPad, and then I'm gonna post it on YouTube right now. Hopefully it'll let me do it while I'm doing a live, actually. Let's see. Video. Okay, yeah, I think it will. Next. Need to entitle it Pirate Animation. Public. Select audience. Add description. Storyboard. Based animation, maybe. For my 2D animation class. Okay. Oh, I need to put like hashtags, I think. Procreate Dreams. Let's see. Procreate Dreams. Dreams. Hashtag, what else? Chihuahua. And then rat dog type. Okay, so I just uploaded that to YouTube, the animation. Let's see if it posted yet. Okay, it says it posted underneath shorts. Okay, cool. So I just posted this animation on my channel, and then now what I gotta do is put it onto my school thing. Turn that off. So that I can turn that in. And then once I turn that in, I'm gonna start working on my game, my dress-up game. Kind of doing the boring parts now because I just need to like crop down my what's it called, like files. Okay, so I'm gonna turn this in. Insert. Oh wait, I need to get the link actually. Whoops. Pirate animation. The color looks weird on YouTube, actually. Like slightly, but that's okay. So now I need to insert, embed, and then I just need to like copy it. Okay. And I need to put it as a GIF or a GIF file, I think. Revisions. Okay, so I'm basically done with all of that for my class. And now I'm actually going to get into finishing up the file cropping. I think I need to take a little break real quick, but I will just have it aimed at the at the thing. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back on the stream. So what I'm doing is I'm making these pieces here like bigger so that you can see what you're clicking on. And I need to be going into Photoshop to do all of this. So this is my assets folder, or it was actually in here. So these are all the files, and what I'm doing is I'm just enlarging them, cropping them out. I think I might already have it here. Okay. Hair streak 7. Let me just close it out because I don't remember what I did to it. Okay, hair streak 7. Open in Photoshop. And I need to convert this to a smart object. I'll bring it down just a bit. I'm gonna crop the canvas size and make it smaller to 350 tab by 420 pixels. And then I have to make this smaller. Oops. And where's my little notebook? Oh. Okay, so now I know what size to make it. I wonder if I can just like I'm just scaling it down so that it fits in this little area. There we go. 327, that's how big I want it to be. That looks about right. And I'm gonna save it. And then this is what I'm working on right now. Like this is the character. And I'm just cropping all of the assets here so that they're bigger, because like for here these are like small and this one's a little bit bigger, so I'm just making them a little bit bigger. And then I did all the shorts and everything and the pants on a previous stream and the shirts, and I still have to do the dresses. So here is where you can see like the difference. Like these are all little micros, but I'm just working on making them bigger. Ooh, also, I don't know if anybody's watched the previous streams, but look, we have heart-shaped swatches. Heart-shaped swatches, everybody. This is exciting. And even for the hair, we have heart-shaped swatches. Now that's cool. So, let me see, did I save it? Okay, I saved it. So these are all the files I'm working with. What app is that? So this is called Phoenix Code, and the images here, they were like drawn in Procreate. So I drew everything in Procreate, and then I had like to code this so that it would be like a game and interactive. And for the coding, I've been asking like Claude AI how to like go about doing this. And it's taken a long time to get to this point, actually. but there's still a lot of work that needs to be done and things that, oops. But this, whenever it's done, it's gonna be on my it's gonna go on my website. So it's gonna be a web browser based game, I guess is what you call it. Where am I at here? This one, open with Photoshop. So I make this into a but thank you for watching. Now I just need to make this into a smart object. Image, canvas size. Just need to scale it down. To 327 pixels. Okay. Center it. Click OK. And then save it. And then it'll save my file. And update that. So I think I just did number 6. Now I'm doing this one. And this process is pretty tedious. Just because I have to go in and like do the same things over and over. Just so that it is consistent and like looks good. Oops. I wanted to turn it to like a smart object first. And then I wanted to... Let me just downsize it already. To 327. Okay. And then whenever I crop the canvas, it should just center it already, since it's already there. And I think it worked, yeah, right here. And these are like hair streaks. So let me make sure it's centered. Okay. I'm gonna save this. And whenever this like game is done, it should be able to play on the phone too, since it's gonna be on my website. But after like this character is done, I'm thinking of adding like another one, like drawing another character with a different like style. Well, it'll be in the same like style as this, but it'll be like the character has their own like fashion style, and I will add them to the game too. But that's like after I get all the stuff situated and all that. Let me center it. Oh wait, I needed to resize it actually. Canvas size. it's charging. Create smart object. Then I'm gonna resize it to 327. Oh, I already passed that. Done. Center it. Then crop the canvas size. Save. Okay. Layer. And let's turn this to a smart object. Resize it. Canvas size 350. Enter, enter. And it's center, so save it. Then we gotta go get the next file. Okay, now I'm gonna center it. And then crop the canvas. Save. Okay, and that should be all the hair streaks. Yeah, it's all the hair streaks. So then now we're gonna be moving on to the hair accessories, which there's 21 of those. Okay. This one's hard to tell because it's like a cream color, but let's layer, convert, and then I need to, let's crop it first so I can see what I'm working with here. Okay, so this one will also have 327 as the hair accessory, like, size. And then let's go back here. Now you can, oops. Now you can see that it's like larger. But you'll probably see it better like in the game. Okay, so convert to smart object. And all of these assets are gonna be seen in the game. So it's about to load. Okay, there you go. So like right now I'm resizing the hair accessories. So I just wanted to see it like show up on here. Oh, I don't know if it did actually. Let's reload it. Oh, okay, yeah. So like these ones are like tinier, and then this one I just updated. And then I'm currently in Photoshop working on this one. And then all of the hair streaks are larger so you can see what you're picking. This I'm gonna re-illustrate or illustrate that one. And then okay, so I did all the shoes already. Did all the bottoms. I don't think I did, okay, I did the tops. So I just need to finish the hair accessories, the earrings, which you can't even see really, which sucks. And then the little blush, and then the dresses. But I'm debating whether or not to like get rid of blush entirely. Like, I don't know. We'll see how that goes, but back to Photoshop. Smart object. Pencil. Center, and then crop the main canvas. Okay, so I can go out to my files and see which ones I just did. So I made this one larger over there. I think I'm gonna find a different background music too, because that one's kind of like lame. I just changed the background music. So this is the game. Back to it. Or let me see if I was in Photoshop. Okay. I was like... I'm just centering it. And then I'm going to end up cropping the canvas size so that it fits into the game. Okay, saved it. Let me just double check. Okay, I think it worked. So right now I'm working on my web-based browser game, or web browser-based game. I think I keep confusing it. There we go. Enter. And center it and then crop the canvas. This is what I'm working on right now. Just prepping all the images so that I can put it into my game here. So exactly the part I'm working on right now is right down here. And just enlarging. Wait. Let me see something. Okay, cool. It populated. So now they're large. That's super cool. Then when you click on it, it shows up. It's awesome. Okay, so I'll click on this one and then it'll show up right there. And so like what I'm doing right now in Photoshop is just taking these little smaller pieces here and then enlarging them so you can see it better. Okay, maybe this is a better angle so I can have the keyboard freedom. I'm just gonna crop the canvas. Oops. Okay. Cropping the canvas, and then I gotta recenter this. Actually, this is probably good as is. I just need to center it. Yep, surprisingly it works. Okay. Save. I need to X out of these other ones. And I'm going to open up the game again. Hair accessories. Let me just see. Okay, cool. It did work. You can't really see it from here, but nice. Okay, so that's good. Now we're gonna just keep the process going. We're about halfway through with this process, and I think it does take a little while. Did that save? This. Oh, does this have more? Oh, okay, it did. I was like, why? Okay, Control S. And then it should show up now. Once it loads, there we go. So I'm doing the hair accessories right now. I'm just recropping them, or cropping them, I should say. And I just did these ones. These little hearts, so cute. Welcome to the stream. Here's what I'm working on. This character, doing like a dress-up game for the character. So right now I'm in Photoshop just cropping down the files for these hair accessories over here. So like these ones you can see a lot better, and this is how it was at first, so I'm just cropping them so that you can see it a bit larger. So, and then I got these to be heart-shaped swatches. And then you can also randomize like the backgrounds that I made. And all of this was drawn in Procreate. You can do the hair and stuff. And then you can reset it back to like the base. So this game, whenever it's finished, I'll put it on my website and it'll be free to play. And it should be able also to be on mobile devices. So like you can access it with your phone or iPad. But yeah, this is what I'm working on right now, just sizing, cropping this canvas down. Then I gotta turn this into a smart object and also size that down. So it'll be 327 pixels. And then I'll just have it centered here and then save it. And then I'm just repeating the process each time and make sure I got the right one. Okay, cool. So convert, or let me convert it to smart object, and then I'll resize it. 327, and then I will canvas size 350, tab 420, enter, and then it should be good like that. Save that, and then it should show up here. I just reset it a couple times just so I get it in there. Okay, cool, it did. So this is the one we just did over here, and then it goes in like that. These outfits could be made like maybe like with crochet or something. Only 8 dresses. I thought I had more. Okay, so back to this. Opening in Photoshop. Layer. It's acting up. It's acting slow. Okay, now I can do my smart object. Convert to smart object. Okay, then I can save it. Go back to the files. And I think for this one, I just need to like crop it, crop the image. I mean, crop the canvas. And then it should be big enough to, well, it's okay, yeah. Let's save that. Let's just look, actually. Yeah, it's good. second. Oop, did I forget to do this one? Let me see here. No, it's good. So this is the last hair accessory. There. And then I need to canvas crop it.
minute.
That might be too spread out for what I'm trying to do. Okay, let's see. I'm just gonna save it just to see how it looks. I guess I'll keep it like this because it's an asymmetric. Almost done, but not quite. Still have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let me try again. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and end the stream now because I need to charge my phone and also take a coffee break. But here's the character. And then here's what we got done. These are the earrings. I don't know how I feel about how they look like spread out like that, but maybe if I change the background color, it'll look better. Kind of like that. And then change this. But yeah, I'll be back to stream probably later or tomorrow. But thank you everybody who watched this stream, and I'll see you next time. Bye.